Viewers, you are welcome to my YouTube video today. I'll be solving two problems. The first is on geometry and the second mensuration. In the first part, I will show you how to use 360 degrees divided by n to find the exterior angle of an n-sided convex polygon. An example of a polygon is an octagon, an 8-sided figure. In the second part of the question, I will show you how to use the formula pi r squared divided by 2 to find the area of a semicircle, and then how to use pi r plus 2r to find the circumference of a semicircle, where r is the radius of the semicircle and pi is a constant, which is 22 divided by 7. I'll read the question. The first part. Two regular polygons P and Q are such that the number of sides of P is twice the number of sides of Q. The difference between the exterior angle of P and Q is 45 degrees. Find the number of sides of P. The second question, the area of a semicircle is 32 pi centimeters squared. Find in terms of pi the circumference of the semicircle. Now, to solve the first part of the question, I will say let the number of sides of polygon Q be n. Now, since polygon P is twice the number, since the number of sides of polygon P is twice the number of sides of Q, so the number of sides of polygon P will be 2n. And then the formula for finding the exterior angle of an n-sided convex polygon equals 360 degrees divided by n, where n signifies the number of sides of the polygon. Now, to this question, the exterior angle of P will now be equal to 360 degrees divided by 2n, because 2n stands for the number of sides of polygon P. And then the exterior angle of polygon Q equals 360 degrees divided by the number of sides of polygon Q, which is n, so divided by n. Now to the second statement, the difference between the exterior angle of P and Q is 45 degrees. So the exterior angle of Q, 360 degrees divided by n, minus the exterior angle of P, 360 degrees divided by 2n, equals 45 degrees. The LCM of n and 2n is 2n. 2n divided by n is, I'll be left with n. n times 360 is 720 degrees. Minus 2n divided by 2n is 1. 1 times 360 degrees equals 360 degrees. And then the fraction boils down to 45 degrees as stated in the question. The next thing to do is to multiply 45 degrees by 2n. So our 720 degrees minus 360 degrees equals 45 degrees multiplied by 2n. And then the difference between 720 degrees and 360 degrees is 360 degrees. The product of 45 degrees and 2n is 90n degrees. To find n, I'll divide both sides by 90 degrees. So I have 360 degrees divided by 90. Okay, n will now be equal to 4. Hence, polygon Q is a quadrilateral, a 4-sided figure. But to find the number of sides of polygon P, I'll use the formula 2n, because at the beginning I said let the number of sides of polygon P be 2n, so it will be 2 multiplied by 4. So that will be the number of sides of polygon P, which is equal to 8 sides. Hence, polygon P is an octagon. Okay, now to the second part of the question. To the second question, the area of a semicircle is 32 pi centimeters squared. First, the area of a semicircle is same as area of a circle, which is pi r squared divided by 2. Okay, but in this question, I was told the area of the semicircle is equal to 32 pi. So I'll write 32 pi. And then I'll cross multiply. I have pi r squared equals 2 times 32 pi, which is equal to 64 pi. Then I'll divide both sides by pi. Pi r squared divided by pi equals 64 pi divided by pi. If pi cancel each other, I'll be left with r squared equals 64. And then r equals the square root of 64, which is equal to 8 centimeters. The circumference of the semicircle will now be equal to pi r, which is the length of the curved path plus the diameter of the semicircle, which is 2r. And then if I do that, pi times r will be pi times 8 plus 2 times 8. 8 is common, so I'll factorize 8, and then I'll have 8 into brackets pi plus 2 centimeters. This is the circumference of the semicircle. I hope every bit of this solution is clear to you. That's for question 1 and question 2. But if you have any question, kindly drop it at the comment section, okay? And I'll respond to your questions. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. If you have forgotten the channel is Victory STEM. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so by hitting the subscribe button, and I will sincerely appreciate that. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Bye bye.